This is my water portfolio, and my name is Essie Toivonen. So before I joined this class, my knowledge was about the same as any regular person who hasn't been learning about water. So I wanted to learn more because I know how important it is to every living thing and our planet. And this class has taught me so much about water itself and how necessary it is for everything. And this class also taught me the steps that I can take to save more water in my everyday life. So for the first module, we're going to be talking about, we did the personal water use and cost. So in this module, we tracked our personal daily water use for 2 days, and then we calculated the total to understand how much water we were using. So my personal water use for day one was 16.5 gallons and 104 ounces. And then for day two, it was 18 gallons and 98 ounces. So these I was tracking in my notebook throughout the day. And those are the pictures from the notebook. So then for the next module, we did food water footprint. So in this module, we used a website to get a more in-depth calculation, and it asked us some very specific questions about the food we consume, traveling, and other daily water use like showering and toilets and things. So my total water use, according to the website, was 1,737.5 gallons, and this was taken from the Calculate Your Water Footprint website. So our next module, we did the water carry and the reflection. So in this module, I had to carry a jug of water on campus with me. So I took it to class and the gym and everywhere I went that day. I felt a little funny looking carrying it around, but it was also really heavy and annoying to carry with me everywhere I went. It also weighed a lot, and the longer I was carrying it with me, the harder it got, and it wasn't very functional. It also wouldn't fit in my backpack, so my arms started to get really tired as the day went on, and I just couldn't wait for it to be over with. So our next module was the business and industry water footprint. So for this, I decided to research Boeing. I'm a business major, and I know this is one of the largest companies in the world. And I also live in Seattle, so Boeing is a huge part of Seattle, and I know a lot of people who work there. So Boeing has been really focused on reducing waste and the carbon footprint, and their goal is to reduce waste, energy use, and water as much as possible every year. So in 2013, their water use was reduced by over 5% from the previous year. And they use water for operations, cleaning, and some other processes. And some things they could do would be to recycle water, to clean planes, low flow toilets, auto off faucets, create a water conservation plan, and clean and recycle wastewater. And this information I got from the Boeing environmental report and also the Boeing website. So our next module was water sustainability comparison and reflection. So for this, I was talking about my personal water use from the journal for daily water use, and also what I got from that website, the 1,738 gallons. And I talked about how I use water daily and how my footprint was pretty high compared to other people in the class. And I think it's because I eat a lot of meat, and I also take pretty long showers, which isn't great, and I can cut down on that. And I also travel a lot. So at the end of this report, I was talking about how letting other people know that water is a limited resource, and that we need to do things like watch how long we're showering for, turn off the faucet when we're brushing our teeth, and things like that, that don't take much time and are very simple things that won't harm anyone, and they will help our planet. So this course has taught me about the importance of water and my personal consumption. It has taught me how to save water and cut down on my water use to help the planet. And I really enjoyed this course. Not only did it teach me a lot, but I also had very much fun. And here are my references. Thank you.